been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chin up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the waves, we go bottoms up, we go up.
We are not professional fiberglass fabricators, and this is not intended to be an instructional video. Always consult a professional when working on your boat. Be safe.
So, the unmasking, huh?
Yeah, I got it done. It's hard. Guess we gotta pop it out of the mold, see how easy that's gonna be. And hopefully we put the right side of the wax paper out.
Here's a fiberglass. It's really flimsy. This wax paper's just coming right off, just like we hoped. Maybe a little goof off will get it off too.
I think that we might have put the wax paper down on the wrong side. What, we have to sand that off? That's not too shabby.
So one of the things that we're definitely learning as we go with is fiberglass. We got a couple comments, a couple of suggestions, a couple of pointers, and some really good information from some of you that have been watching us in our journey. But one of the biggest things is we used a woven roving strips to build this hatch, or to begin building this hatch. So as a result of that, we are 2 days into sanding this down to get where we can put another layer on it, reinforce it with some core, some plywood and whatnot to actually build it up. But we also, in addition to using the wrong material to start with as a base to start with, we put the wax paper on upside down. So we used the paper side of the wax paper to separate it from its mold. So we're having to do a great deal of work to get that sandpaper, or I'm sorry, the wax paper off of our first cast. So, but in the end, it'll be right. It'll be done good. It'll be strong, and it'll definitely do its job, and it'll look good. At least that's the hope. But that's where we're at. We got it completely sanded down. Now we're going to level it out, yeah?
Right.
Try to build some kind of template, so we make sure that we shape the cross members and the core to fit inside the rail. I would say that those are rail guides there for the hatch cover, or for the companionway hatch. Right?
We just drew the wood outline for the core out of this template, and we're probably going to measure it in. We're probably going to measure in about 1 inch to account for the little slope that the hood is going to have. So there's our 1 inch inside the line measurement that we're going to use for the core.
It's more like 2, but
Really?
yeah.
Jeez. It's 2 inches. Sure enough it is. So 2 inches. It's 2 inches in the cut. Polyester resin around the entire of the plywood. Then we put a coat on top of this fiberglass that we made, this fiberglass hood, and then we put wax paper and then batteries on top of the wax paper to weigh down the plywood so that it doesn't have any gaps in between the fiberglass layer and the wood layer.
Good job.
Please check out our blog and don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Thanks for watching.